Clarendon, Jamaica. Now, thank you for watching my video. I intend for my video to be short so that you may watch it to the end and we may all enjoy what we enjoy. So, here we go. Today we'll be talking crap, talking poo, talking waste, talking solid, talking color. Well, today we'll be talking about the color of your fish poop. Now, as a fish keeper, we always look at some anomalies, some things that doesn't really plays out as normal for our fish, right? So we look at their eyes, we look at their scales, we look at their fins, and we even look at the redness of their gills, right? Some persons may even fail to look at their poop. Today I will share you some information that you may deem important in your fish keeping habit. So let's start foremost. Let's look at the poop. What's its regular color? Now, the color of your fish poop usually be brownish, dark brownish, in some cases black, and for some fish that are herbivores, that means they only consume plants, they are usually green, right? For example, those fish that you may feed on algae waffles, your plecos, and your other fish that are vegetarian, right? The weight of your fish is important to note, right? That the weight of your fish usually mirrors the type of food that you're feeding. Now, the other day I saw some orange thing floating on top of my koi and my fish pond, my koi and my goldfish pond, right? So it was orange, so I said, wow, these fish come like they don't want to consume anything. So I was looking at it with the intention of taking my net and taking it out. Woe beyond whole, when I actually looked closer, I realized it was one of the poo from one of my koi or goldfish. Now this just proves the fact that the fish consume an orange type of feed and it excretes an orange type of waste, orange color waste. Same with the pleco. When I was moving the pleco from one pond to the next, I realized that where one of the plecos, one of my 14 inches pleco, actually sat on them, and you probably might see that video where one of my plecos actually sat on one of the cinder blocks that was in that pond. It was like laced with some green thing that you would think that it was algae, but it was waste, right? Because that fish primarily consumes algae from the pond. Your fish poop can help to determine the health of your fish, right? Yes. Should your fish continuously excrete, let's say red or white, reddish whitish type of waste, especially that waste that keeps on hanging on like 1.5 inches, 2 inches from its butt to down, like it's going to pull him or her down, pull it down to the base of the tank. Now those are the ways that you actually look at and observe to see what kind of waste it is. Usually red waste, that is red poop, and white poop indicates that the fish has either have disease or the fish has a parasite, worm, right? And just like I remember one time a young lady was staying at my house, and a young lady was staying at my house when I was a small boy, right? My mother like assisted somebody, and she was in the bathroom. I saw her running out, and when my mother actually asked her what happened, she turned around and there was this big long worm coming out of her butt, right? So this too happened to humans, right? Where you have the parasite like hanging off, right? Should your fish continuously have this reddish whitish poop, you look into it Worse if that poop is not normal. For example, you know, you have a fish for a very long time and the fish poop was normally dark brown to black, or even, you know, reddish, dark reddish, right? And all of a sudden that poop look white, and it is the same feed that you're giving it. That is a sign of parasite. Little salt in the water continuously help the fish to build up its immune system that will allow it to fight some of the little parasite which may exist. Just like how you have immune system which help to fight off all illnesses. Did you know that the human body fights off several thousand virus that exist within the atmosphere on a daily basis? Right? Our white blood cell do a lot of work, and whenever persons get HIV/AIDS, right, the white blood cells are like not being produced enough, or not being produced. I'm not sure about that part, right? So what happens is that some of the little common cold can actually take somebody's life. Now the fish has parasites and disease, and these must be managed by you, the owner of the fish, because remember, the fish is in your care, right? Poop that is greenish and brownish in color, if it suddenly become white, you need to take step to manage your fish, right? Now sometimes you may say that nothing's wrong with my fish is okay and all that, but you are not really observing your fish properly, right? If you see the fish excreting waste that is dark red, white, and the poop is like hanging off like a long thread pulling it down, coupled with the fact that the fish is not eating, coupled with the fact that this fish looks slim, coupled with the fact that the fish is actually in a section by itself, the fish is sick. This is Wally here as I share with you crap. Stay tuned for another video shortly. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Peace. Irish Jamaica. How you doing?